Reminiscences of a Stock Operator is a classic book on trading and investing, written by Edwin Lefebvre in 1923. The book is based on the life of Jesse Livermore, one of the most successful traders of all time. Here are some of the key takeaways from Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. The stock market is a zero-sum game. This means that for every winner, there is a loser. It's important to remember this and to trade with a margin of safety. Don't try to time the market. It's impossible to predict when the stock market will go up or down. Instead of trying to time the market, you should focus on investing in good companies at good prices. Let your profits run, but cut your losses short. This is one of the most important rules of trading. It's important to let your profits run because that's how you make money. But it's also important to cut your losses short because you don't want to lose too much money on any one trade. Control your emotions. Greed and fear are the two biggest enemies of traders. It's important to control your emotions and to trade with a rational mind. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to trade and invest successfully. The book is full of timeless wisdom and insights that can help you make money in the stock market. If you're interested in learning more about trading and investing, I highly recommend reading Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. It's a classic book that has helped millions of people make money in the stock market.